Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix a disabled Facebook account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your disabled Facebook account and you are appealing to recover your Facebook account, then you are getting this type of error, we cannot review the decision to disable your account in Facebook, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, in this issue you need to send mail to the Facebook team. I will provide you two Facebook email IDs. You can see support@facebook.com and support@fb.com. You need to send mail ID to these both email IDs and write the subject, my Facebook account is disabled and I cannot appeal to recover my FB account. You need to type this type of matter and type some of the matter what I have written below. Dear Facebook team, my Facebook account is disabled and I am unable to appeal to recover my FB account. So I request you to resolve my issue as soon as possible, and please find the user ID details below. Below you need to mention your username, your registered phone number and registered email ID, and you need to upload one government ID proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card. After attaching and submitting all these details, just tap on the send button. Guys, you need to send this email ID like 2 to 3 times. After sending like 2 to 3 times, you will get a reply from the Facebook team. After getting reply, you need to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hopefully your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix. We cannot review the decision to disable your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.